You're tired of fighting traffic every morning? Wish you could just roll out of bed, put on a pot of coffee, and sit down at your computer to make some cash?
You may want to join the growing number of tri-staters who now do make good money working from home. Consumer reporter John Matarese is on your side now with who's hiring these home-based workers right now. John, we want to know.
Yes, Carol, I think a lot of people want to know. So tonight, 9 is on your side with how you can land one of these jobs.
Yeah.
Leela Wendell was a preschool teacher until her little boy Austin arrived. She soon realized she couldn't bear to be away from him all day.
Right, buddy, mommy's gonna do some work, okay?
Now, though, she no longer has to leave her Fort Thomas home.
I spend anywhere from 1 to 3 hours a day doing my work, and I'm intentional about that because I want to be a stay-at-home mom. I want to be focused on him.
Leela has joined the millions of Americans working from home.
More resumes, no more job applications, no more painful interviews, no more rejections. We need referral agents right now, and it doesn't matter if you have zero experience. We're willing to train anyone that's willing to work. It doesn't matter if you haven't had a job in 10 days or 10 years. Your education level and your background doesn't matter. We can teach anyone how to earn thousands of dollars every week with our system.
My second check, been in this thing for about 2 weeks now. My first check was for about $1,900. My second check, almost double that, of almost $3,600.
Making well over $3,000 most weeks. A couple of low weeks in there, but if you add everything together, that's a little over $70,000 made in 2 weeks. Okay, you guys. You know, I even went ahead and pulled out my last paycheck. This is like $4,000.
Today's payday. Every Friday you get paid, and I want to take out my paycheck to show you I'm really making money. This is real money. So, guys, I made this in a week. This is about $3,000 right here.
I get to decide the kind of life I'm going to have. If I want to take the day off, I do. If I want to work in the middle of the night, I can do that and still make money. And just to be clear, I'm not one of those online money-making gurus. When I first got started working from home, I was in the same place you are. If you're willing to work, you have a computer with internet access, and if you can copy, paste, and post links to places like Facebook, Twitter, Craigslist, and a few other websites, you can get paid just like these guys.
I never thought I could make $1,000 a week, but I just put in the work, I listened to the training that's provided. The only regret I ever had was being skeptical, because in the beginning I was very skeptical. The only big regret is not starting early. I really missed out on thousands.
If you look at my first video, I only had $120 when I started 4 weeks ago, and now I have about $2,000 in the bank.
I've been with the company a year. I did all this in a year.
You may want to join the growing number of tri-staters who now do make good money working from home.